For me, the most important thing about operating in the niche occupied by Mr. Nolte and expediaemundi is ensuring that the customer is taken care of. This means being there for the customer, putting things on hold when necessary, and even being available during Christmas. The personal connection to customers is of course very important in our profession in order to offer them the best possible support. expediaemundi is something close to our heart, motivating us to develop and implement holistic solutions for the customer. The difference between standard and specialized logistics boils down to the fact that you face significantly greater challenges. You could almost say that the more difficult the challenge, or the more exotic and complex the matter at hand, the more straightforward for us. What can and can't be done? What is the political backdrop? And only then can you advise customers, giving solutions that offer peace of mind and ensuring that the valuable load arrives safely and on time. Our customers value our work in particular because of our trustworthiness, as we possess the technical know-how to fulfill every operating condition and requirement when it comes to delivering your merchandise. Our approach is different in that we can incorporate many years of applied experience into the process from the beginning, especially project experience. In real terms, that means, for example, that we are, like today, at the customer's location during loading. My task was to prepare the loading phase and to escort the ship from Esbjerg so that it arrives here on a Saturday, on time. The standard of quality adhered to by expediaemundi is very high. This can be seen by the fact that nothing is left to chance. The whole operation is completely secured, which underscores the fact that expediaemundi works exceptionally well here. It really is a great collaboration. The term 24 safety protected means that the customer can rely on the safety of the merchandise, on our taking responsibility for it at all times. We accompany the merchandise and guarantee the quality of our performance. This isn't merely compliant with industry standards, it's a matter of real personal importance. The customer orders a new machine, a new device, or a new vehicle, and obviously wants to ensure that there are no scratches or damage along the way. In the majority of cases, during heavy transport operations involving 50, 60, and 80-ton vehicles, these are always held securely in place with chains. This can lead to scratches and even damage. We decided on a different approach and used securing straps to hold everything in place. We utilize our 20-plus years of experience accrued within defense technology and apply it to industry. This means that we pass on our technical expertise, our logistics skills, our conduct, and our code of professionalism to the industry. This has led to fantastic success with the transport of several hundred vehicles in the last 2 or 3 years, during which time we worked closely with expediaemundi without any damage caused to customers' merchandise. It was particularly important to the company that we achieve a lot with very little. Our team possesses over 200 years of professional experience. Our niche skill set is even greater, and we can apply our experience even more effectively and execute customer requirements to a high degree of quality. This also gives reassurances to the recipient that the partner who chose his supplier made the right choice. It's important to consider, when managing a shipment from Germany to Indonesia, for example, that differences in temperature of between 30, 40, or even sometimes 60 degrees Celsius can occur. I need to tell the customer beforehand what the conditions of packaging and moisture prevention must be, in order to ensure that the merchandise does not arrive corroded in the country of destination. The pilot has been ordered for 3 p.m. He'll be here on time, and then the ship will set sail, heading for the Mediterranean and on to its final destination port in Qatar. Our ideal customer is the one who integrates us into the project planning phase at the moment when the technician or the engineer is still at the drawing board, because this is when we can offer valuable insight, such as where to subsequently secure the load, in order to ensure that the product's technical capacity is not damaged. And if I then hear from the customer, Mr. Molitor, expediaemundi is so much better than the competition, that's the utmost satisfaction for me. My passion is simply everything: transporting merchandise, ensuring that quality is maintained between the points of contact, sometimes even going the extra mile so the customer sees that we will apply the 24 safety protected method with the next job. Simply trusting and taking care of things. That's everything.